So in this video, I'm going to explain what are the basics of CNC part program. CNC, Computer Numerical Control Part Program, is a set of instructions that direct a CNC machine to perform machining operations such as cutting, drilling, milling, and turning operations. So these instructions are written in a standardized format using G codes and M codes. A CNC program consists of series of blocks that lines of code, each containing the instructions for the machine. CNC programming methods. What are the different methods are there? First method is manual programming, writing the program manually using G codes and M codes. Second one is CAM software, using CAD CAM softwares like Fusion 360, Mastercam, and other popular CNC softwares are available to generate the code. And third one is a conversational programming, the mission interface based interactive programming. So these are the basically three methods are used to generate the CNC part programs. Basic structure of a CNC part program. So first is the program header. It contains program number and comments. Second is initialization codes, that is include safety commands like G21 metric mode and G90 absolute positioning. You have to inform that controller whether you are going for absolute mode or relative mode. For relative mode you are giving the G91 and absolute mode you are giving the G90. Similarly, what type of units, metric units, G21 is we are using. This is the initialization of the codes. And tool selection and spindle control specifies tool numbers and spindle speed, that S code, and tool movement. So basic structure of CNC part program continues. Machining operations. What are the commands for cutting parts, feed rates, and depth of cut that we need to mention? And coolant and auxiliary functions also. If you want to use the coolant, then you can go for the miscellaneous codes. That is M08 is coolant on and M09 is coolant off. So the program end, it contains M30, the end of the program, to stop the execution and rewind. So the machine door open or close, that also can mention using the M codes. M39 is the close and M38 is open the machine door. And auxiliary functions use M codes like M38 machine door open and M39 machine door close. So key considerations in CNC programming. The tool selection. Choose the correct tool for cutting, drilling, or milling. The feed rate and spindle speed. Set appropriate values based on the material and tool type. The work coordinate system. So define the zero reference point. And tool compensations, generally we are using the G41, 42 for the tool diameter offset, and for tool compensation cancel we are using the G40. The safety codes use G28 or G92 for safe tool movement. So G28 you are using for sending the tool to the reference point or home position. CNC controllers. What are the different controllers? A CNC controller is the brain of a CNC machine, responsible for interpreting G codes and M codes instructions and converting them into precise machine movements. So these controllers handle tasks such as motion control, spindle speed, tool change, and machine safety. What are the different types of CNC controllers are using? Popular is a Fanuc CNC controller and Siemens CNC controller, Haas CNC controller, and Mitsubishi CNC controller, Okama CNC controller. These are the popular CNC controllers. What are the key function of a CNC controller? The interprets G codes and M codes, converts the programming commands into the mission movements, and motion control the control spindle speed, feed rate and tool positions. Tool management handles tool changes, offsets and wear compensations. Human Machine Interface, that HMI, provides graphical control for operator interactions. So these are the few basics of CNC part programming. Thank you.